Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide a rows shelf for a data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The data set that we will be using today is going to be the startup funding data set. So I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the data set has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet here in orange called Sheet 1. And I'm going to first create a visualization by dragging ID to columns. I'm going to drag equity offered to rows. So now we have all the different IDs and the amount of equity that was offered. We can then sort this visualization in descending order. So we can see based on the ID for that organization, which organization actually had the highest equity offered. Now, if we wanted to hide this row, the row shelf, we can actually go to this option here, the second last option, and then deselect the option here called rows shelf. This will then create a view that excludes the row shelf that we saw earlier. So there you have it. This is how you can hide a rows shelf for a worksheet data visualization that you create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.